Christmas is almost here, so let's make Christmas sourdough bread.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hey, what's up? Best day of the year is coming. It's Christmas time. Bread played the main role on Christmas. Today, I'm gonna show you 3 beautiful Christmas sourdough bread recipes.
Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good
This video gonna be so much fun, so don't go anywhere.
New Year.
Alright, lovely bakers, bring your bowl and scale. We want to make cranberry sourdough bread. I'm gonna follow my regular no kneading method. Put the link somewhere on top. Check the link and check the rest of the videos on my channel. Simply just mix the ingredients and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring the dough on the surface and few slap and fold, round it out, bring the dough together. Into the bowl, let it rest for another hour. Bring the dough on the surface and time to do lamination.
Till we get some, we won't go until we get some.
Alright, the best time to add any filling to your sourdough is always after lamination. When the gluten has already developed in your dough, you can add any filling you like. Since it's Christmas, I love to make cranberry sourdough bread. Merry Christmas again!
A Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Make sure each layer has lots of filling, cause it's Christmas. Let it rest for 1 hour. Now time to do coil fold. Bulk fermentation for 2 hours, and now time to pre-shape and let the dough rest on the counter for 20 minutes. And final shape. Into the banneton and let it proof. Poke test and score it confidently. You wanna impress your family this Christmas? Check it out. Alright, this one is a sweet focaccia. We need brown sugar, little bit of oats, or can be sweet nuts, butter, cinnamon, can be even cinnamon stick, smell amazing, and 1 apple. Again, we want to make no-knead focaccia. Mix the ingredients and let it sit for 30 minutes. Water up your surface and bring the dough, few slap and fold, round it up into the bowl for another hour. Give it 1 lamination. Another hour. Meanwhile, you can make the toppings. Mix sugar and cinnamon. Heat up your butter. You can make it brown if you like. Bring a tray with parchment paper, oil it up, and transfer your dough. Sprinkle sugar on each layer and fold it in.
Down through the chimney lots of toys, all for the little ones.
Slice your apple, whatever you like.
Who wouldn't go? Oh, ho, ho. Who wouldn't go?
After it proofed beautifully, it's ready to put the topping. Whatever you like. Into 220 degrees oven for 30 minutes or until it's look like this.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little.
And my favorite last bread, challah. To make challah, you need to prepare stiff, sweet starter 12 hours in advance.
Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Mix it and put it into the jar to see how it rises. The day after, time to mix the ingredients.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making
Mix.
what fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Bring it on the surface, add little bit of flour, clean up your hands, and time to knead it beautifully.
Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what
Until it's smooth and elastic. Let it rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours, time to separate it into 3 beautiful strings.
by my side, the horse was lean and lame. Misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and
Bring the parchment paper, put the strings on the paper. Time to braid the dough. Attach one side and make a braided beautiful challah. Yeah, I know, I'm not an expert.
jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Once it's done, let it proof up to 5 hours. Do the poke test. If the dough bounce back, it's not ready. Should stay there like this. Egg wash. Add your favorite toppings. Traditionally they use sesame seeds. Bake at 180 for 35 to 40 minutes.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one.
If you found it interesting, you can like this video and subscribe my channel. What you gonna make for Christmas? Let me know in comment section. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself. Merry Christmas!